Hello everyone, this is GATE 2023 question number 30 from the Mohrs Coulomb failure criteria. You can see the equation has been given sigma 1 equal to 30 plus 3.5 sigma 3, and you have to find the angle of failure plane to which the plane is failure in degrees. So solution for this given question is given by the Morse Coulomb criteria, in which sigma 1 is equal to sigma c plus tan square theta sigma 3 is the equation we derived. How we derived this equation we will see later, and equating 3.5 with tan square theta you will get the answer. Tan theta is equal to root under 3.5 and theta is equal to tan inverse root 3.5, and angle will be 61.8 degree. So let's see the derivation of how sigma 1 is equal to sigma c plus tan square theta sigma 3 is derived. For this you have to first understand that how this theta, that is failure angle, depends on the cohesion angle, that is phi. This is the Morse circle and this tangent represents the failure criteria. Using the sum of exterior opposite angles, 2 theta is equal to phi plus pi by 2 and theta is equal to pi by 4 plus phi by 2. This you have to remember to use in the second phase. Now draw the sigma 1 and sigma 3 line in the graph, and sigma c is the y axis, that is y intercept, and sigma t is the x intercept, and sigma c is given by 2c 1 minus sin phi, sigma t is given by 2c 1 plus sin phi, and the slope of this angle can be, you can see, y intercept divided by x intercept, that is sigma c by sigma t, that is 1 plus sin phi by 1 minus sin phi, and you can see 1 plus sin phi by 1 minus sin phi is equal to tan square pi by 4 plus phi by 2, and pi by 4 plus phi by 2 is theta. So equating both the equations you will get the equation.